For number 2, we're going to go through A, B, and C, and you're asked to convert these numbers from standard notation to scientific notation. So for 4,500, this number is larger than 1, so that means that our exponent is going to be positive. So if it has a decimal, that decimal will be after or at the end of the number. And remember, we need to make sure that our first decimal is in between 1 and 10. So we're going to move our decimal to the left until we get a number between 1 and 10. So we'd go over 1, 2, 3 places and stop so that we have 4.5. That number is between 1 and 10, and we moved it over 1, 2, 3 places. So in scientific notation, it would be 4.5. It would be 4.5 times 10 to the third power, and that would be our scientific notation. Now the same idea goes for letter B, where we have 68,800,000. This number is larger than 1, which means that our exponent with a 10 is going to be positive. So we're going to move our decimal until we get a number between 1 and 10. So we'd go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places, and that would be 6.88 times 10 to the 7th power, and that would be our answer in scientific notation. Now for this very last one, for letter C, I want you to notice how this decimal is less than 1. It's a very small number, it's smaller than 1. So that means that our exponent is going to be negative, and we're still going to move our decimal over till we have a number between 1 and 10. So we would move it over 1, 2, 3, 4 places, so that we have 5, which is between 1 and 10. And then we would write this as 5 times 10 to the negative 4th power, because we moved our decimal over to the right 4 times.